Here's how to thread a regular and a fine Oxford punch needle. The regular Oxford punch has a wider metal needle point, and to thread it, take your yarn and twist it into a tight little nubbin and put it through the eye of the needle. And you're going to pull out a long tail, and to get the yarn into the channel of the punch, line the yarn up with the channel and just jerk back and it'll pop right in there. And when you're ready to punch, just start with about 1/4 of an inch tail. If you start with any more than that, you're wasting yarn, and there's no point in that. To thread the fine point punch, it just has a narrower metal needle. We've put a screw eye on to keep the thinner yarn in the channel. So to thread, you're going to go through that screw eye first, and then you're going to go through the eye of the needle. Make a long tail, put the yarn on top of the channel, and again just jerk back and it pops right in the channel. If you find it doesn't pop in the first time, just pull it back and forth like that. When you're ready to punch, start with a little short end. If you'd like to punch with strips of fabric, I use my regular point Oxford punch, and I find it a little hard to get that flat end through there, so I like to cut a little point and thread it the exact same way through the eye, make a long tail. One thing that's different though is the strip wants to go in sideways, so just go ahead and pull it in sideways. It pops right in. And before you punch, to make sure your strip isn't twisted, pull it back and forth a few times. And when you see the strip coming out not twisted, you're ready to go. And when you're ready to punch, start with a little short tail.